So we made an error in the calculation of the last two parts of the set, which was released on Saturday, where we did not add up the letters properly. We took it directly out of a spreadsheet, so there was a copying error. Happens once you do your MBA, most of the time you will be making these errors only in the Excel sheet as such. Error is regretted. I am now releasing the correct version of those two questions. So for question 3 and 4, we have some additional information. It says each letter is coded based on how they appear in the English alphabet. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, so on till Z is equal to 26. Right. So this is a table which we ask you to draw before the start of every session. I mean, the link is available in the description where how to attempt a mock in the LRDI section. We actually have told you this, right? So basically, if you draw this table, then the question is not very difficult to solve. For example, red colored face is coded R plus E plus D. So 18 plus 4, 18 plus 5 plus 4, that's 18 plus 9, 27. Right, so basically you add the sum of the letters. So for blue, you will do B plus L plus U plus E. So B is 2, L is 12, U is 21, and E is 5. So that's 33. 33 plus 7 is 40. Right, so you will get all these different cases. Right, so I will not be adding up all of them. I've written this down. I've calculated this earlier. Okay, this will probably take you an additional 1.5 minutes. Now after this, you can solve these two questions straight away. Okay, what is the maximum possible sum of the codes on two adjacent faces? So two adjacent faces, what is the maximum possible sum? Now if you observe, the highest two values are yellow and violet, and they're adjacent to each other. Yellow and violet are adjacent to each other. They are the highest. Right, so they will be the highest possible sum. So 92 plus 83, that's 175. Okay, and the last one, what is the minimum possible sum on the sum of codes on two opposite faces? Two opposite faces, just by observation, you can look at it. 27 plus 40, this is 67, right? This itself is 92, this itself is 83. So even if you add the opposite, it will be higher than 67. So this will be the lowest possible sum. And as mentioned earlier, error is deeply regretted. Sorry for this. I hope there is no error in the error check. See you next time.